Sabrina Ionescu and the New York Liberty may have faced a tough playoff exit at the hands of the Phoenix Mercury, but her sneaker journey is still heating up. Nike is set to release the highly anticipated Sabrina 3 in a fresh white, mint foam and metallic silver colorway. The design showcases a textile base with subtle Statue of Liberty-inspired tones on the midfoot and forefoot, accented by shimmering metallic swooshes and branding for a sleek performance look. While Ionescu's postseason future remains uncertain, the spotlight shifts to her growing sneaker legacy, as the Sabrina 3 continues to expand in stylish new options. This blend of elegance and functionality makes the model stand out as both a performance and lifestyle sneaker. Fans can expect the white and mint foam edition to officially drop through Nike.com by November, marking another exciting milestone for Ionescu's signature line.